How to get photos on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to get photos on your TikTok comments, what you're simply gonna do is first of all update your TikTok app to the latest version. After you have done that, launch the TikTok application on your device. Then go to the video you want to get photo on the comment. Go to the comment section. Over here you'll see all the comments of the video. Now go to the photo icon which is in the bottom right corner of your screen over here. Click on it. Then it will take you to your camera roll. Over here you can see all the photos present on your device. Now you can either select a photo from here or you can select a photo from a specific album by clicking on the option all, which is on the top of the page over here. Now you can also see all the albums on your phone, or you can simply select the photo from over here. Just select the photo, then you can also write something above the photo, or you can simply leave it as it is. Now in order to upload or publish the comment, you're gonna have to click on the arrow which is over here. After you've done that, you'll get a photo on your TikTok comment. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next video.